If you hate Jesus, then keep scrolling. But if you love Jesus, then stick around and watch until the end. God says, I'm going to send people, resources and finances to you that you never imagined. Your situation is about to change. Today you're going to receive the flow of love, healing and abundance that you deserve. Like this video, if you believe God, your challenges and problems will be solved in wonderful ways. Your entire family will be blessed and miracles will appear when you need them. Type 333 if you needed this. If you watch this till end, a big energy shift has happened for you. All the money you spent will come back multiplied. Real love will find you and your dreams are manifesting. Money is coming your home today. Believe me, you are going to smile within a few hours. God says, people will always fail you, but I never will. Put your life in my hands and I will take care of you. I love you. If you want to attract huge money effortlessly, starting watching our videos today to know the shocking wealth secrets revealed by the universe will bless you with one person that gives you everything you have ever prayed and cried for in other people. And it will be beautiful. You deserve and are going to receive. And subscribe our channel if you love God. Today is a new day. Today is a day for you to begin creating a joyous, fulfilling life. Today is the day to begin to release all your limitations. Today is the day for you to learn the secrets of life. You can change your life for the better. You already have the tools within you to do so. These tools are your thoughts and your beliefs. This is the beginning of a new day. You have been given this day to use as you will. You can waste it or use it for good. What you do today is important because you are exchanging a day of your life for it. When tomorrow comes, this day will be gone forever. In its place is something that you have left behind. Let it be something good. God says to you, forget all these things that worry you. Give me everything. I will remove your fears and anguish. I will cover you with my love. And I will show you this day what in your life I can do with my power. Very soon. Type yes if you're ready. You are going to be telling a different story very soon. A story about how miracles have found you. A success story filled with so much inspiration. You will give so much hope to so many people when they see how much you overcame and still came out on top. Your path is being cleared right now. All blocks are officially removed. It is only from here for you. You are going to experience an unstoppable acceleration. This is your time to start receiving. Type yes if you needed this. You are going to receive some fantastic news. The universe is making a way for you by currently transforming your situation. You are entering a new time of infinite blessings. Yet ready as now is the time. You are in the perfect position to receive a miracle. Open your heart to receive the positive changes headed your way. Every setback in your life directed you to this divine alignment. Be ready for it. Type yes if you already trust that the unknown is going to bring the most beautiful blessings into your life. Don't fear. Surrender to the moment and allow life to shower you with everything you need to experience in order to grow and achieve everything that you truly deserve. It is time to put your plan into action. You have done the work. Leap. You have the tools, talents and skills necessary to succeed. Now is your time. Go for it and trust that you will win. Believe you are always prepared and have the provisions required to pursue your path and fulfill your purpose. Dreams don't work unless you believe they will. Nothing blocks purposeful actions. Type yes if you needed this. A chapter in your life is coming to an end. Rest assured that beautiful things are ahead in this next chapter. Let go of all things that are out of control and move forward with a thankful heart and abundant thoughts. Type 555 to affirm. Be grateful that life offers second chances, fresh starts and unlimited opportunities to change course. If you trust the universe, why do you keep doubting your manifestations? Stop being impatient by constantly questioning the timing of what you deserve. Your path is already cleared, your love is already aligned, your abundance is already accumulated, your success is already set. Surrender to the process by trusting what want is already done. You type yes. If you needed this, the money is coming, the new home is coming, financial freedom is coming, good health is coming, the breakthrough is coming, love is coming. Type 1111 to affirm. If you are reading this, the universe is manifesting your wishes right now. Are you ready to receive? The universe is going to open doors you never thought would open. That problem that looked permanent is only temporary. Trust the positive changes are coming to you. Trust that everything happened for a reason, that you're about to be blessed with a second chance at life, a second change to live the life of your dreams. Type 222 to affirm and share this video with 5 people who trust God. Comment, Jesus is Lord. Thank you so much for joining me today on this incredible journey. I hope you've enjoyed the content as much as I've enjoyed creating it for you. Before we part ways, I want to leave you with a heartfelt message of gratitude and blessings.